Hello, in this video we will solve Natas 24. So on logging in, we can see that there is again an input field password and there is again no hint. So we'll see the source code. So the source code is written in PHP and there is only one function again. The function first checks if the password that is obtained using the request superglobal variable is null or not. The request superglobal variable can take input using both post and get methods, which means we can also input the password using URL of the website, as it was in the case of the get variable. In the PHP function, it first checks if the password field exists or not. Then it compares the password input with the stored censored password using the strcmp function. The function returns 0 if the strings are equal. Thus, if the strings are equal, then only the credentials for the Natas 25 that are stored here will be shown. So, if you see the PHP documentation for strcmp carefully, you will find that it returns null and a PHP warning if one of its parameters is an array. This will help us as not null will evaluate to true and we will be shown our password. So as we can see when we try to put in any password like we did last time, the password gets appended as question mark password equal to whatever value we entered. So if instead of leaving it as an array, we leave it as a string, we leave it as an array, we can initialize arrays by using the square brackets and press the enter and search through this. We will see that appending this works, as the $request can take inputs through the URL and we are given a PHP warning, but we can see the password for Natas 25 as well.